step, two step.
Two step.
Episode 3, y'all. What's cracking?
We are checking out this tube kit.
Jeez. Unboxing.
Humble performance. Stainless steel.
Stainless?
Yeah.
Nice. It looks clean. The bends look clean as hell too. And this one was the, I think it's called the basic kit from Humble Engineering.
Came with nunchucks.
That's the go to the shock tower, huh?
I think in the front.
Oh yeah.
Where subframe, front subframe.
Rad support.
Yeah.
Top or bottom?
This is the top.
That shit looks sick, bro. The dimples. Oh, this one feels heavy.
That shit bolts on.
Show y'all. We're gonna try to do some welding today. Sheesh.
I should have cut that shit.
Looks fire.
Should have cut it before. See something. Looks like that.
Does it? Is that the radiator support?
Yeah, the bottom support. Remember at the on the instruction we gotta drill the shit out?
Oh,
I think it is.
that's cool. Yeah. On the other side of the garage, what we got? JDM headlights, looking clean and fresh. Tell me why those JDM lenses are JDM. Leave it in the comments. How can you tell it's JDM? Got a new intercooler bracket.
Still need to make a bracket to support it. Because right now it's just these two bolts.
Oh, you need that bar like that right there, so hold it up.
Maybe like weld something right here to here. So
Right.
support the shit up.
Nice. That's a good idea. You should. Let's do it right now. Oh man, Irwindale's opening back up. I need my flame retardant jacket or racing jacket. Need a helmet too, huh?
Yeah. Well, it depends. Depends on the time you're on.
I thought if you're boosted, you have to be.
Oh, you boosted? Yeah, you need a jacket, but on the helmet part, depends on the time.
I think I want a helmet. I might fucking. My car might act like a Mustang and freaking have crowd control.
Damn,
Hating, huh?
one unsubscriber.
What? Oh shit! I'm just playing, y'all. Man, take a joke. Our boy life. This will mock up too fast. Already have plates on there. Same. Oh, there's not stainless though.
Yeah, this is stainless.
So those get welded on though, right? They don't get bolted like that.
Yeah, this one is bolted.
The 1J here. They can fly. Still need to get mounted properly though.
What's this for?
Man, you know how long I haven't seen this car with a hood? And you got hood shocks, bruh. So badass, bling bling. Every time I come around, city bling bling.
Master Eyeball. Instagram right there.
Get it, boys.
After an hour, it's out.
Is it an hour? No. Well, for the YouTube viewers, it's only a couple seconds.
Anybody interested? This is for sale.
$1,000.
$1,000. Ratchet Boy touched it. There's value.
You with a smile?
What's wrong with a smile?
Nothing wrong with it.
We go Ratchet Boy Bobby right there. I'm gonna leave his Instagram handle right there.
Yeah, when you finish your car.
I know. Hey, yeah, what's up with the EK, bro?
I've been lagging it.
Been lagging it. Been too busy.
Coming soon. Coming soon.
Coming soon. I don't see nothing wrong. Hey, will I get copyrighted if I sing songs and shit?
No. You sing it too good, maybe.
I gotta sing it on beat.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna edit that out. Hey, don't do this at home. Wear safety glasses and all your PPE. You gotta wear the PPE. Don't do this at home.
Professional.
Professional.
Right.
Professional eyeballer.
Shit. Yeah. Yeah, professional.
Hey, real stuff though, that's pretty good. I'm surprised you got it off that fast.
Yeah, cause it's flux.
I can't believe I said that on camera too, man. I can't underestimate Ratchet Boys. Come on, man, we do this. We do this. Yeah, so what's going on here? The previous owner had these welded on, or welded these on. Gonna cut them out so we can fit Humble Performance tabs on. These will probably get welded on too, right, Wes? They get welded on too? Oh, he cut himself.
Yeah, we gotta weld that shit. Boo-hoo. And it's done.
Yeah, boys!
We got one more side.
Okay.
Boo.
Too early for a yeehaw.
Boo-ha.
No cigar.
Cool.
Halfway there.
That wasn't too bad. Is it a backfire?
Shit. You know how to ratchet shack, dude?
Backyard fabricator.
That's how it's done.
Hey. Beautiful. Honestly, man, this looks amazing. Thanks to
Thank you.
Thank you, Blackshot.
Thank you.
You looking now at a Humble Performance?
Thank you. Alright. I need you to hold this down.
I'm holding it straight though.
Right here. I need.
Look how straight I'm holding it.
I know, but the camera.
You want to hold something?
You're holding it straight, but the camera.
That's how Ratchet Boys record their YouTube videos.
I'm gonna just give it a couple of tags. They
You hold it down because it looks angled like.
Wait.
It has to be up like that.
Yeah, because this is up, so I just tack it right here and then bring it down after.
Oh,
I think.
Let's go blind together, y'all.
For real, right? That's it?
Yeah, fool. I'm telling you, fool. I've been taking for a while.
Hold it down for you.
Who's a professional now?
Right here. Right up.
I
okay.
got
See how
pros,
the
pro welders.
Let me know where.
lower. Right there.
Over there?
Lower. Right there.
Oh shit!
Bro, what was that? No, that was like. Oh man. How you weld, you play with your rod.
Get a couple more.
No, for real.
Yeah.
A couple more
A
strokes.
couple more strokes. A
No.
couple more strokes, bro. He can't handle. He can't handle.
No.
Let me move this shit first, alright? Let me give you the real
Yeah,
deal.
give us some lube.
Oh,
Give us some lube.
there you go.
The right way.
The right way.
Okay,
There
okay.
you go.
I don't know. I don't know if he enjoys that or you're supposed to do that.
A little bit of both.
I'm looking at him. I'm just pointing camera the way his eyes are pointing. Y'all wanna know the settings? It's a secret.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, horrible.
Man,
I'm low on gas. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
he low on gas. Who got the gas though?
I guess.
That's good for now.